Hey, what's up guys? This is G from Talyer AI and today I'm going to talk about prompts or yung prompting sa AI. No? Ano nga ba yung prompt at saan ginagamit yung prompt? No? Prompts are basically instructions we give to AI to come up with useful responses. Example ng response, kunyari, is to generate ideas for a blog or to analyze yung mga data or to create emails or tailored emails para personalize yung response or gagawa ng sales strategy or mag-research or gagawa ng summary for a research work we're doing sa school. No? Very important to kasi better prompts gives us better results. No? So there are two types na kailangan nyo tandaan. Yung system prompt, yung number one, and then pangalawa is yung user prompt. No? Ano nga ba yung difference ng dalawa? Yung system prompt is yung instructions or yung kumbaga rules of engagement, yung context ng bibigyan natin sa AI, yung tinatanong natin sa AI. Yung user prompt naman, yung gusto natin pagawa sa kanya. Generate ideas, to analyze data, to come up with something. So, to help, kasi gumawa ka ng prompt, bigyan ka ng tulong. Kung gumawa ka ng prompt at hindi ka satisfied sa prompt, there's this one AI tool that you can use or AI platform that you can use. It's available in Claude. I think Claude is the only one who does this. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung example of that. So this is an example of the platform when you log into Claude. No, Claude, this is not the Claude that we usually use sa asking questions. No, this is the Claude developer or console. So this is different from the commercial platform. So ang maganda dito is you can train an AI or train Claude to write the way you want or to respond the way you want, or any AI. No, so the reason why I'm sharing this because is you can actually improve an existing prompt. So pag kinilik mo yung existing prompt, you just, kagaya minensyon ko kanina, you have a system prompt and then a user prompt. No? So you just basically fill in your system prompt, yung sinabi ko na rules of engagement, ano ba yung context, and then yung user prompt, no? And then lalagay mo lang dyan yung ano yung instructions sa papagawa mo. Or kung meron ka nang ginawa, no? Let's say may ginawa ka, copy-paste mo lang dyan, and then, ano yung gusto mong improve, no? And then you click improve prompt. This is a very nice tool kasi nga, kung hindi ka satisfied sa pagbigay mo ng instructions kay AI, at least dito, ma-improve mo yung response, no? Sabi nga natin, better prompt is equal to better results. So, sana nakatulong sa inyo to at follow me for more AI tips. At kung gusto nyo, sumali rin kayo sa Discord channel ko called Talyer AI. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye!